Hello, this is Phil from the walt.id team. In the scope of the 5th Gaia-X Hackathon, we were working on the topic of SSI-based authentication using Gaia-X self-descriptions with the Open Policy agent and the Rego scripting language. By doing so, we also extended the SSI kit to onboard Gaia-X entities and users. Yeah, so we extended the core lib, that's a separate video, and also we extended the web wallet. And in this video, I'm going to show you how we extended our open source web wallet, yeah, and how this can be used further on. So this is the running web wallet, and here you can just create a new account. Just need to enter a unique email address, then you will get an empty account. And password, any password, it doesn't matter for the demo purpose. So as you see, there are no credentials available. You can go to the menu, go to settings, and here you see the ecosystems. We currently support the EPSI ecosystem, did web, Gaia-X, that's the new one, yeah, and you can also register a did key. Worth mentioning, if you create an account, you anyway get a did key by default. As you see, there is a did key available and that's selected as default ecosystem. Yeah. Now let's go to the new menu item to Gaia-X and click on onboard. I hope this resolution is good. Yeah. So there's a step-by-step wizard where we can go through the whole process. The first step is to create a did web. You just enter the domain name. For instance, I take example.com, but please use your own one, where you have access to the web host, because you need to host the did web under the domain's root later on in order to distribute your public key. So I just generate the did web. I'll copy it, and here I'll just show you the content of the did. So you see, this is the identifier I just generated, and here is the public key. Yeah, and so please take this identifier, go over to your web host. For instance, we are hosting the dids in our test environment. Here it's under the domain /well-known did.json, and here you see the did documents. So did resolvers can find this later on when validating credentials. Let's go to the next step. This is to enter the information required to get the legal person credential. For this, you could run easily the SSI kit. You see, docker run walt.id SSI kit, and then just list the template legal person. So you get the current information that's used for generating this credential. And as you see, here are the values, and here you should substitute them with your accurate values. Yeah, this Germany, and the postal code, street address, and so forth, like code, company name. So for the time being, I just use this example data, just use it and just paste it in here and click on onboard. So behind the scene, the backend will generate the participant credential. We'll use the participant credential to request the participant credential from the Gaia-X compliance service, and will store everything together as self-description in the SSI wallet. So I click here, and here, voila, you see both credentials. And we are recording another video where you can get access to key clock based on those credentials. And